नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो डे 4 की वीडियो आ गई है आज बाहर। बहुत मज़ेदार है। रानीखेत से पहुंच गए हैं हम पिथौरागढ़। बहुत मज़ा आएगा आपको इस वीडियो को देख के। प्लीज़ 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 अगर आपको पसंद आ रही है तो ज़रूर कमेंट कीजिएगा कि आपको कैसा लग रहा है मेरा वीडियोस। इससे मुझे सीखने को मिलेगा और मैं आपके लिए और अच्छी वीडियोस बना पाऊँगा। धन्यवाद। नमस्कार साथियों। फाइनली आज का दिन है जब हम निकल रहे हैं अपनी जर्नी के लिए। देख सकते हो गाड़ी कैसे टकाटक भरी पड़ी है, फुल लोड करी हुई गाड़ी है। मैं ड्राइव कर रहा हूँ। हमने टास्क दिया है सबको 6:30 बजे अपने बैग्स लेके नीचे रोडवे आने के लिए। रोडवे आई मीन अपना रूम चेकआउट करने के बाद जहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ लोड होनी है वहाँ पे आने के लिए। तो मैंने बच्चों के साथ शर्त रखी हुई है कि जो बच्चा सबसे पहले आएगा उसको मैं आइसक्रीम खिलाऊंगा और जो बच्चा सबसे लास्ट आएगा वो मेरे को पैसे देगा ताकि मैं उस पैसे से आइसक्रीम खरीद सकूं। तो आई मीन लाइक अगर देखा जाए तो बच्चों के हिसाब से नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस है मेरे को, क्योंकि मैं बच्चों से ही लेके बच्चों को ही खिलाऊंगा। हालांकि मैं पैसे लूँगा नहीं जो आखिरी आएगा उस बच्चे से, लेकिन इट विल बी अ लर्निंग कि डोंट बी द लास्ट पर्सन। तो मैंने उन गेम का नाम ही रखा है, नेम ऑफ द गेम इज़ डोंट बी द लास्ट पर्सन इन योर टीम। तो सब लोगों ने शर्त लगाई है कि कौन बच्चा होगा जो सबसे लास्ट में आएगा। तो ये इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। मैं भी देखता हूँ। तो हम लोगों की सबकी नींद 6 बजे खुली, सारे के सारे इंस्ट्रक्टर बहुत सारा सामान ऑलरेडी लोड कर रहा था। तो आई डोंट वांटेड टू बी द लास्ट पर्सन देयर ऑल्सो, और गलत रोल मॉडलिंग हो जाती है। तो मैंने क्या किया कि एटलीस्ट अपना सारा सामान और हमारा जो ग्रुप का सारा सामान बचा हुआ था वो लेके अब मैं पहुंच रहा हूँ। मैं तो बच्चों से पहले पहुंचाऊँगा। ये शानदार ड्राइव आप देख सकते हैं। ये रानीखेत है दोस्तों, खूबसूरती पहाड़ों की। और जो भी लोग दिल्ली में या किसी भी बड़े शहर में बैठ के AQI चेक कर रहे हैं, मैं कहूँगा आइए और चेक कीजिए हमारे रानीखेत और हमारे पहाड़ों का AQI। और उम्मीद है आने वाली जनरेशन्स भी इन पहाड़ों को इसी तरीके से बचा के रखेंगी। और जो भी लोग पर्यावरण के लिए फ़ाइट कर रहे हैं, इसको बचाने के लिए फ़ाइट कर रहे हैं, सलाम है उन सभी लोगों को। और उम्मीद है आने वाली समय में बाकी जनता भी जागरूक होगी और इन पहाड़ों के लिए आवाज़ उठाएगी, इन पेड़ों के लिए आवाज़ उठाएगी जो बोल नहीं सकते। तो दोस्तों आपकी बातों का कितना असर होता है। सारे के सारे बच्चे जैसे पहले अपना सामान लेके रेडी हो चुके हैं। ये देखो जैसे मैं यहाँ पहुँचा था तो लोग आने शुरू हो गए थे। तो ये तो पक्का हो गया कि लड़के नहीं हारने वाले हैं। आप देखते हैं लड़कियों में क्या होता है। तो दोस्तों देख सकते हो आप, सारी गाड़ियाँ लोड हो चुकी हैं। वी आर अबाउट टू लीव। हमारी सूजू फुली लोडेड जो हमने कल लोड करी थी, उसके अलावा 2 और गाड़ियाँ हैं जिसमें हम सारे लोग जाएंगे। तो सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड्स का पूरा ध्यान रखते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे। तो एक गाड़ी में 4 से ज़्यादा लोगों को नहीं रखते हैं। सीट बेल्ट्स मैंडेटरी होती हैं। टायर चेक्स हो चुके हैं। सो वी ऑल आर रेडी टू गो। तो आपको दिखाता हूँ आगे क्या क्या हो रहा है। तो ये देख सकते हो तीनों हल्दीराम एक साथ बैठते हुए ये इस गाड़ी में। एंड फिर रेडी टू गो। So Phoenix,
Hi.
are you ready for your trip?
So ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did you sleep last night?
I slept great. I woke up before my alarm because I was so pumped.
Oh, that's cool. Are you all ready for your expedition?
Yeah.
Yay! All right. Speech of wisdom from Mani to the group before we all leave. What do you want to say, Mani?
Stay safe.
Stay safe. Cool.
Can you all do a quick sort of a raft talk orientation, something like that?
Come closer, people. Yeah. All right. This is the time, 27th of March, 7:48. Now we are heading into the water. Right. Today is a long drive day, but the next couple of days are going to be awesome, good, big. All we need to do is look to your left, look to your right. So,
you are here.
so we have to take care of one another a lot, right? So we are going as a family, we have to take care of one another. We are going very remote, as I said yesterday. So all we need to do is show good expedition behavior, so good peer leadership and good self-leadership as well. Are you all ready to go?
Yeah.
Bring your hands in, everyone!
Say Kali.
Come on, Amelia, you are still part of the group.
Say Kali on 3.
On 3 we say Kali. 1, 2, 3, Kali! Boom. तो दोस्तों फाइनली हम पहुंच गए हैं पिथौरागढ़ और ये है हमारा होटल जहां हम लोग रुकने वाले हैं। अगर कोई पिथौरागढ़ वाला है जो देख रहा है तो बता सकता है कि कौन सा होटल है। मैं अभी इसका नाम डिस्क्लोज नहीं करूँगा। अब हमारा नेक्स्ट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन है, हम लोग जाने वाले हैं बाजार जहाँ पे हम लोग करेंगे शॉपिंग। बच्चे इंटरेक्ट करने वाले हैं लोकल्स से, तो जाके मार्केट से शॉपिंग भी करने वाले हूँ। देखते हैं कैसा रहता है उनका एक्सपीरियंस। ये है हमारी गाड़ियाँ, इन गाड़ियों में हम लोग जाएंगे। ये हमारी सुजू ये लोड हो गई है। ये है मंगलदा जो नोल्स के साथ बहुत टाइम से काम कर रहे हैं, हमारी गाड़ियाँ चलाते हैं। ये है प्रधान जी, ये रानी कहते आने वाले टाइम में विधायक का इलेक्शन भी लड़ेंगे ये, और अभी बहुत व्यस्त है। आज सुबह से ही इतने फ़ोन चल रहे हैं कि इसका कोई हिसाब ही नहीं है। ओके, people show me your meters, how you all are doing right now. Okay, some people need some energy, right? Okay. And how can we support you when the energy is low?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, you'll be fine. Good. The plan is from here we are going to go to the market, but this is the start of the trip. It's going to rain for at least next 2 hours, so make sure you have a rain jacket with you. If you don't have a rain jacket, you also have. Morning. Hold on to this.
Wow.
Group of 4. Here, group of 4. Hold on to this. 3. So what are we going to do with this money? We are going to go and buy some freshies from the market. Are you all with me?
Yes.
Yeah. Keep that money in your pocket and listen to me. Let me share the plan. What I am going to buy from the market. My goal, we are on an expedition for the first round for about 8 nights from tomorrow onwards, and our first lap ends on 4th of April, right? So am I going to buy 1 kg of meat which I can't carry for longer days? No. But can I buy 2 kg of potato which can stay for 8 days? Yes. Dosto, this is going to be the best experience for these people. We are in the market now and we are going to do some shopping. So this is going to be one of the cultural experience for all these folks. You can see how colorful these markets are. I mean, they are making really funny faces. So news, tell me where you are.
Market.
What kind of market this is? No idea.
Oh my gosh, there's popcorn.
Yeah. So देखते हैं दोस्तों, मैं आप लोगों को दिखाता रहूँगा क्या होने वाला है और क्या कहाँ हम जा रहे हैं. Okay, let's keep walking. So अभी लोगों के reactions देखें.
By the bakery.
Oh yes, we'll stop there.
We're gonna stop by the bakery on the way back.
Yep. Yeah.
I'm getting one of those cakes.
Yeah, the waffle cakes or something.
Look at there's.
Yeah.
They also collar of crispy or something.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the pineapples.
Okay, let's meet up over here. From here, what we are gonna do? You see this market?
There's Gandhi.
Do you remember that guy over there?
Gandhi.
So every note you see his photo over there, right? Someday you'll see Manohar standing next to him.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the area where we are going to go and buy stuff. Feel free to do bargaining. Even if they say like 50 rupees, try to say like 40 rupees or maybe 35 rupees.
Yes.
Maybe you will be able to negotiate little up and down.
Okay.
So don't hesitate to do that, and your instructors are around. Yeah. जो भी दोगे ना, बहुत जितना भी लेंगे वो मेरे से भी पूछ लेना ना कि बहुत ज़्यादा ना ले लें. हाँ? Yeah, you need help?
Translator.
Yeah.
We need a translator.
Yeah, tell me.
How much are the onions?
कितने रुपए किलो है पूछ रहे हैं?
इसका आधा किलो है, लेकिन 1.5 किलो लोगे तो 50 में ही दे देंगे।
So he is saying 20 rupees for half a kg, but if you buy 1.5 kg, then he'll give you for 50. अरे मेरे ख्याल से ज़्यादा नहीं लेंगे, कम ही लेंगे.
All as a group and then we can.
I mean, you all can do that as well, but it's fine. You just buy.
Okay.
Yeah.
कितना दें सर?
I was thinking about beets. Do you like beets?
How much? Okay, one thing at a time.
Okay. Does that seem like enough onions?
How much you need? One,
That seems to be like enough onions.
इनको
And that's 20.
आधा किलो दो.
I don't. Is that? How long is this for?
For one ration period.
8 days.
Yeah.
I think that's good.
Okay, आप I team को देख सकते हैं. I team my. Amanda, how do you feel about buying freshies from the market?
So excited.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. It's also green.
I like green.
I'll take photos of these guys as well. नहीं कोई बात नहीं, चाय तो पीते रहेंगे.
कितना 2 किलो?
So we're at 4.
दोस्तों अब समय हो चुका है खाना खाने का. आज के दिन हम बाज़ार गए. बाज़ार से आने के बाद इंस्ट्रक्टर्स ने अपनी प्लानिंग करी. हमारी प्लानिंग पूरी हो चुकी है. अब हम हैं होटल में जहाँ पे हमारा चल रहा है डिनर. आपको दिखाता हूँ कहाँ पे हम लोग डिनर कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे बच्चे लोग बैठ के अभी तक फ़ोटोज़ वोटोज़ खींच रहे थे. वॉशिंग. अब यहाँ चल रहा है हमारा खाना. ये है डिनर टाइम. खाने में है दाल, इसमें है आलू की सब्जी, आलू गोभी, और ये इंडियन मानीदाई हम लोगों के लिए मिर्ची और प्याज. बच्चों को हम लोग प्याज और मिर्ची नहीं देते हैं.
Open it, guys. Come on.
You want to do it standing, sitting, how do you want to do it?
Don't care. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, so the acronym for today is REST. R-E-S-T. So R stands for real concerns. Community announcement.
If you fill up your water bottle, you can use the tap in your room. You just need to use Aquamira.
Yeah, I have one. Keep check on one another in terms of timing. Keep check on one another in terms of how everybody's health is doing, so that we can track everything well throughout the expedition. E. Everybody share your experience of market today. It could be short in one word or in one sentence.
Does it have to be one word?
No.
I think that it was really fun and cool, but then it was also overwhelming, and like the spatial awareness of us as a group was terrible. It made me overwhelmed.
S. Say something nice to your friends. Appreciation.
Thank you, Jude and Rana, for being my headrest the entire way.
And spinning to share cookies.
Thank you for getting me so many.
Thank you to my car crew for a great conversation. Enjoyable ride.
Thank you to Amanda for letting us play music again.
And also for the conversation.
Yes, of course.
I appreciate our car drivers. Thank you, Rossi, for coming with, even though you're not here, to drive the car back.
Thank you to the instructors for taking us and leading us through the market.
Thank you to everyone who we met at the market who struggled to interact with us because we don't know anything.
I feel appreciation. First of all, I want to appreciate my wife for sending me all the photos and videos of my son, which is always very nice to watch and see how he's doing. And I also want to appreciate all those people who work really hard to make this trip successful so far, like people working behind, like Pawan, Hari, Sunita, and Srijam, thanks to them. I want to thank you all for being such nice humans again and being very patient with me and all the other instructors. Thank you our team for the 3 days plan that we made. I really appreciate that. And thanks to the drivers as well for driving us all the way here. Tea for tomorrow. Are you all ready to go to the river?
Yeah.
Sweet. So, yes, I will encourage you all to go to bed early today so that you can have a good sleep. Tomorrow is going to be another busy day. I would like to say hey folks, at least from tomorrow onwards, next 3 days are going to be really full on lot of information where your instructors are also going to be a little more directive in terms of getting things done or giving you direct instructions in terms of do this, do that, clear, right? And slowly once you start getting that rhythm of how the river system works, your instructors are going to step back. So that leadership from directive leadership, it is going to be more towards supervision and coaching towards the end. So you folks will be leading the whole trip in the coming days. Sounds good? So be with us for next 2-3 days and don't hesitate again if you miss any information, ask us. Okay? Plan for tomorrow, 6:30, just like today, out of the rooms, bags packed, we're coming here. Around 6:45 we'll have chai. 7 a.m. is breakfast and the goal is load the jeeps and leave this place by 800 hours in the morning. And the drive is going to be about 2 to 2.5 hours plus minus with few breaks. And once we reach Joljibi, again it is going to be more BG for us. We'll have a short 10-15, maybe 10 minutes quick break. And after that break we are going to load, empty the truck and then pump the raft, assemble everything and rigging the boards, paddle safety talks and everything, and then we start paddling downstream tomorrow. So the goal for tomorrow is pretty much, we are not very much sure what time we'll be leaving or heading into the water. So think of we might be paddling from 5 to 9 miles approx. Again plus minus 1 or 2 kilometers, not miles, okay? So it's going to be, we'll talk a lot in kilometers when we are here in India. So if you all need clarifications on it, please do ask. Sounds good? And I will talk more in detail about what the camp life is going to look like when we reach there, or in the morning we'll give you a little heads up on that. Few important things to remember. Please keep your food bowl handy again, and we are not going to pack or take anything, but it will be basically our snacks. When we are at the footing, we are going to pull out some snacks and put it in our bowl for the rest of the day. One, that is very very important, and two, more important than your food bowls is tomorrow morning when we are leaving this hotel or 6:30 when you come down here, we are coming with the clothes I'm wearing will be my river clothes. So that when we are at the put in there, I am not going to change there. We will not have a changing tent or anything, and possibly there might be a lot of people around us who will not have the privacy to change there, right? So full on head to toe, I'll say be on the river clothes. Yes, it might be cold in the morning, so it is totally okay to have a fleece jacket or a puffy jacket on the top. What we can do at Joljibi is open your bag, throw your puffy in, roll it and load it. Sounds good?
Yes.
Any additions, I think? Sweet. We have some. Again, from tomorrow onwards, we are going to see lot of these. You'll see me a lot on phone. That doesn't mean I'm talking to my wife or any of my friends. Most of the time, I'll be coordinating with these border protection forces. So they want to know where we are camping, where we are, and what is our status at that point of time. So you will start seeing them from tomorrow onwards. So when we'll be at Joljibi, there will be at least 3 different agencies will be coming there. One will be that SSB. They will be coming in their uniform, and then it's called LIQ. They will be a part of the intelligence unit, and then the third will be the Uttarakhand police. So they all can come at one time or maybe at 3 different times. So based on where we are in, I'll be in and out from the task and we'll be talking to them, and probably at some point they will ask us to stay together so that they can take a photo of it. And it can happen one time, it can happen multiple times also. So be ready for all that stuff.
Same passport and all.
Yeah, keep your passports in your day bag, easy access with you.
That was my question.
Sounds good. Questions?
So, breakfast at 7? Do bags at 6:30?
Yes.
Okay, bags out at 6:30.
Yeah, 6:45 chai.
Cool.
If you don't come 6:45, at least a chai. I'll drink 2 chai.
I'll do 3 chai.
There you go.
Love that.
तो साथियों कैसी लगी आपको मेरी डे 4 की वीडियोस? कल से होने वाला है फुल वाइट वाटर, मैं प्रॉमिस करता हूँ आपको, क्योंकि कल हम पहुँच जाएंगे जॉलजी भी, और कल भी बहुत अच्छा रहने वाला है वीडियोस। तो भूलना मत, सब्सक्राइब करना भूलना मत, लाइक शेयर और कमेंट करना। थैंक यू।